I'm Mark Welton, Superintendent of Bridgeport Spalding Community School District, and I'd like to introduce you to the first K-12 SmartLab program in the Great Lakes region. Our SmartLabs breathe life into education, igniting curiosity using a hands-on, project-based learning platform that impacts all students. From programming 3D printers and CNC machines, building robots, solar power grids, and creating your own music videos, all Bridgeport students K-12 have the opportunity to learn skills that can be transferred directly into the workforce. There is no better time to be a Bearcat. Enrollment is open now through September 8th. Welcome to Bridgeport, where we live our vision of no barriers, just possibilities every day.
Apply now at gobearcats.net. School starts September 5th.